Hi friends, this is Dr. MK Shivani. I'm a 3P lifestyle coach helping women over 40 to design a life with peak health, peak energy and a peak productivity to have a balance in life. I have been an Instagram influencer and recently I have attended an amazing course on a Reels, which is a new feature in Instagram, and I heard it gives a lot of followers. So I attended Digital Mithyl's Reels Mastery course of 3 hours, and in that 3 hours I became more confident. I saved on time how to make reels and I got innovative ideas to increase my followers, and at the same time in a short span of 15 seconds to 30 seconds how you can give more value to your followers. Digital Mitthyl, I have attended some of the other courses. He is a man with lot of innovative and technical ideas how you can influence your brand, maybe via Instagram secrets, maybe a Reels Mastery, or maybe the videos and also a podcasting. He has got wonderful sessions of his mastermind, and every time he gives a bonus which I really like, and I highly recommend to attend all of his courses step by step and increase your technical and as well as influential brand knowledge, how you can grow as a brand and attract more followers. It's a just amazing course.